Hello everyone, welcome back to TalkDrill. I am Emma.
And I am Lucas. Hello to everyone joining us today from all around the world.
Lucas, I have a very important question for you before we begin today.
An important question. Okay, I am ready.
Are you hungry right now?
Haha, actually, yes, a little bit. I had breakfast a long time ago.
Perfect, because today we are talking about food.
Food, one of my absolute favorite topics. I love talking about food. I love eating food even more.
Ha, same. Food is so connected to culture, to family, to memories. It is such a rich topic.
Rich, full of variety and depth. Food is a rich topic.
Today we will learn vocabulary for food, for restaurants, for cooking, and for describing taste.
So much useful vocabulary. But first, everyone please subscribe to TalkDrill.
Yes, hit that subscribe button right now. It is free and it really helps us so much.
Okay, Emma, are you ready to make everyone hungry?
Ha! I am ready. Let us begin.
Let us start simple. What is your absolute favorite food, Emma? Your number one, the best.
Oh, this is a hard question. I love so many things. But if I must choose one, pasta.
Pasta, the Italian food made from flour and water. Spaghetti, penne, rigatoni.
I love all pasta. Any shape, any sauce. It is perfect food.
Why do you love it so much?
Because it is comforting. It makes you feel warm and happy inside, like a hug in food form.
Ha! A hug in food form. I love that description.
And it is so versatile. You can make it so many different ways. Tomato sauce, cream sauce, pesto, olive oil.
Versatile. Something that can be used in many different ways.
Exactly. Pasta is the most versatile food. What about you, Lucas? Your favorite?
Sushi. Japanese food with vinegared rice and fresh fish.
Sushi. Do you make it at home?
No. Making sushi at home requires skill. Ability you develop through training and practice.
Sushi chefs train for years and years. They are very skilled.
Very skilled. The knife work alone takes years to master. To become completely expert at something.
Master, yes. I want to master cooking pasta, actually. I am still learning.
Ha! You said pasta is your favorite food, but you are still learning to cook it.
Ha! Yes. I eat it very well. I cook it medium well.
Medium well. Ha! That is very honest.
Let us talk about going to a restaurant. Very useful for everyone.
When you arrive at a restaurant, the first person you meet is the host, the person who greets you at the entrance.
You might say, "Table for two, please." Or if you booked ahead, "I have a reservation."
Reservation. You called or booked online earlier to save a table. Very useful on busy nights.
The host takes you to your table. You sit down. Then the server arrives.
Server, also called waiter or waitress. The person who takes your order and brings your food.
They give you a menu, the list of all the food and drinks available.
You look at the menu. You decide. And when the server comes back, they ask, "Are you ready to order?"
Order, to tell the server what you want. And the polite way to order is, "I would like the pasta, please."
I would like. Very polite. Not I want. I want can sound a little rude.
Very important tip. I would like is the polite way to ask for something in a restaurant.
After eating, you ask for the bill. bill. Or the check. The paper showing what you owe.
Oh, to need to pay someone money. You owe the restaurant for your meal.
Could we have the bill, please? Very polite. Very correct.
And in many countries, you leave a tip. Extra money for the server, for good service.
Service. The help and attention you receive during your meal.
Now let us learn how to describe food. This is very useful. How does it taste? How does it feel?
First, let us look at taste words. Sweet is like sugar or honey.
Salty is like crisps or popcorn.
Sour is like lemon or vinegar. It makes your mouth react.
Yes, sour makes your face pucker.
Bitter is like dark chocolate or black coffee. It can be a strong taste.
And spicy means hot, like chili or hot sauce.
Spicy is actually more of a sensation than a taste. It feels like heat in your mouth.
That is interesting.
Now let us look at texture, which means how food feels in your mouth.
Crispy is hard and crunchy, like a biscuit.
Soft is easy to bite, like fresh bread.
Creamy is smooth and rich, like ice cream.
Juicy means full of liquid, like ripe fruit or a burger.
Chewy means you need to chew it a lot.
So now you can describe food better.
Yes, and when you combine these words, people can imagine the food more clearly.
Now let us learn some cooking verbs. These are actions we use in the kitchen.
Boil means heat liquid until it bubbles.
Fry means cook in hot oil.
Bake means cook in the oven.
Roast is also oven cooking, usually for meat or vegetables.
Steam means cook using steam from hot water.
Chop means cut into small pieces.
Slice means cut into thin pieces.
Mix means combine things together.
We also use the word ingredients, which means the foods used to make a dish.
And a recipe tells you the ingredients and steps.
Sometimes cooking goes well, and sometimes it does not.
That is true. But the important thing is to keep trying.
Yes, because practice makes perfect.
So that is our episode today, episode 2 on TalkDrill.
Today we learned many useful food words and phrases.
These are real English expressions used in everyday life.
And that is what TalkDrill is all about. Real English for real life.
In our next episode, we will talk about travel and holidays.
So make sure you subscribe so you do not miss it.
And now our question of the day. What is your favorite food?
Write in the comments, what's your favorite food?
Even one sentence is good practice.
And do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Thank you so much for being here today. I am Lucas.
And I am Emma. Keep practicing every day.
And we will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.